So welcome to the first day of the energy improvement workshop. So first things that one we was discussing about what is meant by the energy. Energy is something which is very important but our life, but it's again, like a lot of people not even understand what is meant by the energy. So what is energy? I ask you a simple question. So welcome dear friends, your friend Dr. Rakesh Deshpute, naturopathy doctor, yoga entrepreneurs, international wellness coach and the wheel of life alchemist or the Ikigai alchemist. So welcome to this beautiful 7 days short program. And today first thing is that we're discussing about the energy. What is the energy? Now energy can be mechanical, it can be electrical, it can be anything. But we're talking about the human energy. The energy which will be make you to do whatever you want to do. You want to move your fingers or you want to talk or you want to see or everything the body requires the energy. Now from where the energy comes now. So energy is nothing but a unit. It's nothing but the unit which gets generated into your body, mind to run the show of taking care of your body as well as your mind. Even see this is like we will see about this one how the mind is required the energy. But this is the first day, so this is we talking about the human energy, not the physical energy or not all this part exactly. Now coming to this one, this is the one of the most important technique, or this is the one of the most important things which actually directly proportional to the this one. But please, anybody who has attended my previous workshop, please don't go with this simple 7 concept because we're going to go into their depth today. And there is a lot of new things which will be come up into this particular part. But if you ask me from where you get the healing power, its healing power is come with the energy for your cells. Can everybody please type what is the energy for the cells? How the cells get their energy? What is their food? What is the food for the cell? That is their energy. That is universal consciousness power. UCP is nothing but the universal consciousness power. So that's what, because it's an energy concept, so this is there. And somebody's put it's not glucose or water here only, it's mainly the oxygen. Yes, so a lot of people put the oxygen is the very important thing. Now oxygen is the basic quantity for your cell. And now a lot of people just think that when food is gives you the oxygen, but that is the not 100% true. Now coming back to this particular part, the energy is something beyond only oxygen. It is beyond everything. And there is a 7 things which gives you or takes you or supply you the energy. If you see these 7 things, please write in your notebook. Don't make it just like this. So these are the 7 things. The first thing, if you see the beautiful, cute baby sleeping, sleep. Sleep is the first thing, and we're going to work on sleep today itself. Then sunlight. I know the people who live their life without the food and they take the minimum amount of water, but still with the help of the sunlight, they can live their life. Yeah, water is must, but food is supplement for the some of people. The people who think that without food we cannot live, that itself is a wrong concept. I know the people who not even have the solid food or the food for the years like 15 years, 20 years, 25 years. Now anyway, I don't want to go into that particular part, but the sleep. How many days you can survive without a sleep? So sleep, sunlight, clean air, pure water, then food, then think positive and stay away from the negative people. We will come to the each and every point in the detail in the coming 7 days. But today we'll jump to the first point. So what is the first point? First point and the most important point. Step 1 to increase energy is sleep quality. Now the most important things and the most dangerous things are the people never understand what is exactly the sleep and which creates a lot of issues in a lot of people's lives. So what is a sleep in the first phase? Now tell me one thing, there is a 3 factors involved whenever we talk about the sleep. If you just come to the, this concept of the sleep, what is mean by the sleep, and see why I'm telling sleep is so important. I just want to give you some statistics. I didn't put everything in the slides because I want your complete attention. See, the 1/3 of our lives goes into the sleep. Are you agree? 1/3 of life. So if God is make us the sleep, one third means 33% of our life is indirectly or directly depends on the sleep. Then why God is given so much of importance to this activity? A lot of people spoil their sleep and everything. So please understand. There are many theories, like why we sleep, like NREM and REM, etc. Please, I don't want to go into that one. But in nature care, there are these 7 trends I discuss you that will help you and sustain your life force or your energy or your this one. So the moment you take care of these 7 areas, your energy will be skyrocketed. Skyrocketed. You cannot even believe what will be your energy level. But all the, one important things um, in the world, in allopathy, the most sellable thing is the medicine for the insomnia. And today I'm going to give you something of very different perspective about the sleep, which will totally change your mind itself. Because I went to go to this particular part. Someday you have very deep sleep, someday you don't have sleep, someday you have a lot of thinking, someday all these parts happen. But what is exactly there? So all the medicine used for the insomnia has a tremendous side effects and never to use. Now come back. What is the sleep exactly? The sleep is different for the labor. Sleep is different for the scientist. Sleep is different for the business owner. How? I'll come it down. Actually, every human beings do 3 types of work. Please understand this concept, and this itself will be change your idea about the sleep. And if you start getting a proper sleep from today, first thing is that when your energy level will be changed for throughoutly. And I'll tell you, you do whatever you do, but if your sleep is not properly done, it will be affected. But concept of the sleep is not that one where your eyes are completely closed and you are not having the awareness. So that is a different type of mechanism. That is called as a sushupti, a state between the dream and the state between the sleep. So where, and sometimes you are in the dream, there are 4 stages exactly. Awakened state, dream state, sushupti and samadhi. That's it, the 4 steps. Human being is either of these 4 in any point of time. Awareness is nothing but a Jagrat Avastha. Either you are awake, and Jagrat means like what we are doing now. Swapna means a dream. Means you are thinking about the something like the future in the dream. Then third comes the Sushupti. Now this Sushupti is there where you get a lot of beautiful refreshment. But now sometimes you are craving for this Sushupti. Sushupti is not what? There is no dreams and you are not even in Samadhi, because in Samadhi is a state where you are going with the efforts. But Sushupti is the stage which is happen on its own. So that is the sleep. So there are 3 types of work we do: physical, mental, and the brain. So your body, mind, and brain is involved. Now mind and brain is different. Please understand. So now brain in the mind or mind in the brain, that is another part. But let's understand what is there. So what is the body's work exactly? See, your body is made to do physical activity. But nowadays in this last 8 months, people are only doing one activity with the body. What is that activity? Please type in the chat. Let's have a little bit fun also. I don't want to make it very seriously. Okay, so type in the chat, what is the one activity we done into the this last 8 months? Yes, Shiva is perfectly right. Like prize goes to the Shiva, not online or anything. Only one activity we done into the eating, and spoiling the more body. But body is not made for that one. There is a 3 types of work or body, like this. So body, mind, and brain. So physical body is like a physical labor. Now, did you see the physical labor who do only physical work without thinking too much, without using his too much of brain? See, yeah, definitely brain is used. So his body and the brain is used. His body and the brain is used, but not everything. So his body and the brain is used, but not everything. Now, how will come to that particular point, my dear friend? His body, physical labor is using his brain little bit because he has to use the brain, but he's not using his mind too much in that moment. He don't think, he's just taking the stones, you are just drilling, whatever he's doing. So he is in that activity. Telling honestly, he is actually into his state exactly where he is using maximum of your body, physical labor work, and his brain, because brain is anyways work, but he's not using specifically very intensely the brain because it is like an activity for him. So first part is clear. So for this person, getting sleep is very easy. The moment he go to the bed, he will get the sleep. Why? Because his physical body is tired and the physical bodies require the healing. I have to go quickly. A lot of important things are there. Then come the mind, your heart, your thinking. Everything is goes on into the mind. Now thinking about the problem and the life, like all your emotions, like your worries, like your tensions, like your anger, like your fear, and all these parts of the mind will be there. Now this mind part is different than the using your brain. So this is like a some business owner, or like a some shopkeeper or somebody or something who is always has the different type of emotion. There is a more of the emotions, like you do the small business or the some type of factory or something, is mainly associated with what, a mind work where there is a more emotions sprouted. But there is a third category where you see, and everybody, the labor also use the brain, and even the business owner also use the brain, but he don't use the body so much. He sit on the chair and he just shout on the people, like shopkeeper, you seen, correct? He just sit on the chair for the whole day, just taking the money or something. Or even the business owners sit in the AC office, and he use more of the his mind and the brain. Physical labor use his physical body maximum. Very less amount of mind is used, and the little bit amount of brain is used. Please understand, if you understand this one, your life will be changed in the terms of the sleep. Then third called the brain. Who use the brain maximum? Now see, emotions are involved into the all this part, but there is a something is like a profession, like an analytical profession, or the professions of the scientist, a discovery R&D department where people use the brain. Now, can you understand, at least these three people has a different aspect. Their usage of these three faculties are different. So let me just come to the one important point. I just want to make sure that one, all of you are with me. Today I'm giving you the perspective, different perspective about the sleep itself. In this group, how many of you are struggle with the sleep? Be honest. Be honest. Be honest first. Be honest. And I'll tell you, you will not have the energy if you are not having proper sleep. But what is the sleep? Can you understand, at least these three people's requirement of the sleep itself is different now? Wow, somebody is so honest actually. She's telling in so many. No problem, not now. Whatever is there anyway. Let's come back and jump to the our part. So, dear friends, first part to understand these three categories of the people, three categories, the usage of their brain, usage of their emotions, mind, and the usage of their brain will decide their sleep. How it decides, how it decide. Anyway, forget about that one. Let's come all of you. I just want to give you something amazing. I don't want to go to everything because a lot of people just, like I feel that when there is a PPTs, so they will be just, like get into that one. And that's what I don't want to give PPT for everything. So it's okay. So I have my own way of this one. So tell me one thing, out of these three categories, everybody's sleep requirement is same or different? Please type into that one. I don't want to talk, but I want to type. Is that all that these three categories people requirement for the sleep is same? Okay, awesome. So near about everybody's understand. The requirement of the sleep itself is different. Why? The physical labor, who is done like a 12 hours of intense physical work, a scientist who done the 12 hours of intense R&D work, a businessman's to work actually 24 by 7. Tell him honestly, business is a such a way where the person don't really sleep actually. Even the profit lost, money, emotions, layoffs, challenges, filing the GST, filing that one. The business owner works actually 24 by 7. That's why emotional part is very strong in the business part. Now these three people, all three of them go to the sleep. Now the first person who is done the physical labor work will go to the sleep within a minute. Why? Because your body required a repairing. Please understand what is a sleep. Sleep is made for the body repairing. Your cellular repairing mechanism. Body is required for that one. And your maximum cells are get actually die or the recreated or the get affected when you do the physical activity. Not with the sitting activity or just by thinking. No, thinking you actually create the lot of toxins only, and you are affecting all the cells, but they don't get die, they don't get recreated, they don't get strength. So please understand the first thing. So I told you about the third category, this like just keep on sit and thinking scientists. Now they will be rolling in night to give rest to their brain and mind. So that this is like a aligning prayer, like example of the cloth shop I told you last time, how they will be try to maintain all these things. So the first category of persons will go immediately to sleep because his physical body requires the repairing mechanism. But like take example, if I'm sitting this chair for the 12 hours in a day, 14 hours in a day, there is no damage to my body. I will not get a very immediately the sleep. Now second and third category people will be have the different things to do. That is a good thing. That's a different questions altogether. Let me complete first part. So now experiment. Now you go for the walk for one day. Go for the walk for 10 to 20 kilometers now. Or just go back to your day when you went for trekking or when you go for the outside and you get a sleep. See, like Santosh asked these questions anyway. So when he's traveling means what happened now, he giving more of the physical activity because traveling means what he's went for some trekking, some walking, some activity. Now you get a sleep. Why? In traveling, your all the three faculties are used. So come to this important point. So sleep is directly proportional to amount of work you give to your body. Sleep is directly proportional to the amount of work this one. So but please understand, the sleep for these three people is a different concept. Maybe today I will just little bit extend the session, but afterwards I will be make you sure that one. Then sleep is inversely proportional to the only work to body and the mind. So what understand now the difference between this one, the rest. See the rest. That's what I told you in one. Some of your 90% people are there in the group which are continuing with us, except one or two people like Pallavi or the Ajmal is new into that one. And I told you about the example of the cloth merchant, or I told you the example about the rest mechanism, Vipassana. If you remember, I told you correct. In Vipassana time, you don't require more sleep. So people don't get a sleep throughout the night, but they are so fresh and energetic that they never be a fresh or energetic throughout their life like that way. Even not sleeping for even for 1 or 2 hours sleep, that's what is our concept about the sleep itself is wrong. Now come to the important part. um, don't get panic, that is the first understanding, and we'll get sleep only when it is needed. Please write down in your golden words, you will get a sleep only when it needed. If you are not getting the sleep means you don't require a sleep in that particular moment. Please understand, this is like the most important concept about the sleep. And people just tossed into the bed, oh I'm not getting sleep, I'm not getting sleep, oh I'm not getting sleep. That itself is the wrong trend. You will get a sleep only when you need it. Your brain and your body knows, except the area where you have the physical injury or some type of diseases, it's normal functionality. You will get a sleep only when it needed. Remember this one. Just lie down, close your eyes, relax body and the mind. Let brain and mind get aligned. Now here is comes to the important part. How many of you experience the day somebody has fight with someone, or you have some issue in the home, or somebody has to repay the loan? He will not get a sleep easily in the night. Did you see this pattern? Here what is involved? Here it is involved is your mind and the brain. Now brain is functioning so fast to take care of your mind. Brain is working so fast to take care of your mind. Why? Because mind is working so fast now and creating so many illusions, so many things, like, oh, what will happen tomorrow? I have to repay, this is happening, that is happening, this, so many things. Like you have thousands of problems. Now still this brain and the mind don't get aligned. Now how the brain is get aligned? Still your mind is not get relaxed, brain will not get aligned because brain is functioning so fast till your emotions are very fast. Understand, you will not get a sleep. In last 3-4 minutes, I'll give the idea how you can deal with it. But please understand, first thing is that one, you will get a sleep when you require a sleep. So please stop tossing into the bed. That's why a lot of people ask me, correct? Sometimes, but if you get frustrated after that one, then actually your mind is working so fast. But can you shut your mind and there are techniques I will describe to you. And the moment you shut your mind, you will get a rest. That's why in Vipassana also we talk about the rest. How you will get a rest to your physical body? Actually, suppose your physical body requires rest. The moment you lie down, the rest to the physical body started. But now the person was so physically tired that his mind and the brain is shut for the immediately. The switch is like button, and he went to the sleep because complete body restoration has to be happen. Millions of cells has to be restored. For you, there is no physical tiredness, but on top of that one, there is more of the mental anxiety. So please understand. So what our body needs, it will ask for and then take it. And that's why I really learned from this thing from Dr. Shrikant Jijkar's research. He explained, he talks about the most important part into the world. And that he told that when if you get sleep any point of time in the day, get that 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes of sleep. Like sometimes you are just in the lecture and you get a sleep. You get maybe 2-3 minutes of sleep, but then you come with a very refresh mechanism. You know what happened in that time? Your physical bodies get restored as well as your brain, which is not in the alignment, is get aligned actually. And then you are like somebody is not concentrating into the some seminar, webinar or the class, and afterwards he just get into the involved into that particular session. He slept for some 5 minutes, 7 minutes, and come back. Anyway, so this was, I had this problem actually for initially because I used to wake up at morning 2:30, 3 o'clock, and then I used to get sleep also late little bit because I used to start getting so many yoga classes. One point of time in 4, 5, 6 that I was to start my first class in the morning 3:30. One call center was there where I used to work in the morning 3:30. First class started at 3:30 to 4:30. Then night time, my it's not that I plan to sleep at 8 o'clock, but some lot of time it's not supposed to be happen. So I used to get a sleep in between the day, and mainly when I sitting into my classes. But that 5 minutes or 2 minutes complete realignments and you get free fresh exactly. So now, first thing, please understand, sleeping tablets are the bigger than narcotics drugs. It's bigger than the cigar. It's bigger than the cigarettes or the any types of brands or marijuana or opium. It is very famous nowadays, correct? All the Bollywood is not getting the sleep. They will do for 30 minutes acting and then whole day they will sit a lot of time, and too much of anxiety and this one thing is involved. So anyway, now get to the solution part. This was the theoretical part. What is the solution now? First thing, if you understand now, you are understanding that what you're going to do it now. So don't toss the bed. I'll tell you simple things, start the meditation or just start observing your breath. And the moment you start observing your breath, your mind gets shut. Your mind never want you to observe your breath. So write down some important points. I just want you people to be involved. That's why I'm not giving you slides. Do not put your head in the north direction. First thing, these are the practical suggestions which will be actually affect. No north directions. Always it is best to have that particular. There is a science behind that, and I'm not going into that one, but I want to give you the point. No alcohol means no coffee, tea, or any stimulating material before you go to sleep. Means 90 minutes before you go to sleep, minimum 90 minutes, you should not have any this type of material. There is a psychology or there is a research which shows that one, because if you have some problem with your teeth, you will not get a sleep. So brush your teeth before going to the bed. This helps to get a good sleep. Massage below jaw and top of the head. These are the two acupressure points which takes you to the sleep. If anybody has any problem, please do like this to your jaw. And massage exactly this area. Now we have two benefits. One thing is that when your mind is getting calm, your brain is get massage and your bodies get relaxation. So this is there. Then finish your dinner at least 3 hours prior to sleep. That is a beautiful law and it's help actually. Don't see TV, phone, iPad, news, etc. These are the very important thing. And still, if you don't get, I'll tell you to start Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama or Anapana or Yoga Nidra meditations, or meditations you just lie down, any type of things. Now this helps tremendously. I'll tell you, Anapana works like a miracles in the sleep. And I'll tell you, even you don't get a single 1 minute sleep, and if you do Anapana throughout the night, you'll be so fresh and energetic. I'll tell you, you cannot even imagine. Some people was asking me, right? What is the secret of Sulba was asking me, I think so. What is the secrets of energy? And I'll tell you, this Anapana is a secret. Because when you do really real Anapana, your mind and brain both get shut. And physical body is already in the resting mode, correct? When you are lying down, your physical body is already getting rest. Only problem is the mind and the brain. And the moment you do Anapana, mind and brain is stop. Stop in the sense they are doing the minimum activity. So simple, my dear friend. It took long time for me to even to for me also to understand this particular concept. How that sleep is different for each and every person. So there is no law 8 hours sleep, 7 hours sleep, or something. The law is very simple that after morning when you start your day, are you refreshed and energetic or not? Ask yourself this question. That's it. Then if you finish your dinner 3 hours before, you can take a bath before sleeping. But there should be a gap of minimum of 180 minutes between your bath and the food. This is the most dangerous habit. If you take a food and then take a bath, a lot of people do that one. It creates a lot of type of anxiety, mainly the ulcer type of disease, indigestion, indigestion issues exactly. It is never recommended to take the bath after eating something. Okay, then maintain the timings and all these things. But if it's fine, if not getting the sleep, just observe the breathe in and out, and then like a lot of times the mind is so fast or something. Please get out of the bed. Don't try to sleep. Don't try to sleep. Just get out of the bed. Go start watching. Start reading something new, or just sit and just try to observe something, or just come and try to observe the sky. Something you do, just get out of that one. That itself will break that cycle of the thoughts. Or you'll keep on tossing into the bed. So much of thinking, so much of problems, so much this don't work out. Then darkness is the key. Darkness is the key. So please don't carry a light or all these things. Then best temperature to get sleep is the temperature between 18 degrees to 28 degrees. So the best temperature, please maintain that one. Then well naturally ventilated room is the very important part. So what is mean by that one? I will prefer, instead of the AC, if you want, you can use something like a very natural type of this one where the air comes and go to you. Please remember, this is the most important part to your health also. Don't be in the AC throughout the day. So that's what I always keep this window open in the morning time, morning to the night, exactly evening. Air has to be flowing to your home. Then comes to the very important part I told you yesterday exactly. There is a one experiment you do. Suppose too much of stress and tension in the life. See, the life is not simple. But today morning I was just thinking, people keep on complaining, so much of negative news, so much of the things are there. People, behave in a very different way. Like yesterday, a Trupti was asking me one question and something, and she was showing a lot of empathy toward the, what is that lady? She is a drug addict and now she's putting all the blame on the Sushant Singh. What is that? Riya Chakrabarti. She was telling that one, a lot of people is telling about that one. She is following that case and she's hitting my head every time. So then I was just thinking, see, there is a one lady, she's talk about the nation. She talk about the truth. She talk about the honest things. And people, that BMC goings and demolishing her house so fast. And people are just watching. And another lady, actually, she is the part of the racket. She knows, and she's talking 80% people in the that industry is having this one. He's doing the drug paddling and everything, and a lot of people has a sympathy toward her. Then I was thinking, see, this she's given me the food for the thought in the night. See how this happens. See, this is what, that's why don't see the news. Don't see Arnab Goswami. If you see the Arnab Goswami is the curse actually for the people into the world now. Because he will give so much of thoughts to you. Maybe he's talking a lot of truth and everything, but still I will tell other channels so you don't see, because they are just programming you and they're giving the negative energy. So close this all part. And I was thinking on that one part, when was the world was the best place to live then? And I went to this whole, maybe whatever you learn, if you see Mahabharata, there is a problem. If you go Ramayana, there is a problem. If you go to the Jesus time, they crucified him Forget about anything. They crucified him. So what he went through means forget about the problem. Pegambar has to run from one place to another place. So when was the good time on this earth? Then I find out there is nothing called as a good time or the bad time. There is only the time. Okay. So last and the best practice is that one. This is what is called as a Portley experiment, or the experiment where you take one box, take out your all the worries, stress, tension, everything and put into that box. Close that box, and now you can sleep peacefully. So your mind will work this one. So just stop that one. So this is what is exactly. So the first things to energy improvement is understanding what is meant by the sleep and then getting into that one. So it is not that one key you lie down and then your eyes are closed and completely got down. It is you are lying down and still can you organize the brain and organize these things. So please write what you understand before we close the call. And anybody has any questions or something, maybe you can take questions or something for the next 2 minutes and we'll be moved because it's already exceeded the time today. But tomorrow onwards, definitely it's because it was a very big concept, but I want to just give to everybody because if you really want to practically experiment it, you have to experience the energy only when it's happened. And I'll tell you, it's a life transformative.
Yeah, Rakeshji, actually, just I want to share, you are absolutely right. Because when I went through this all anxiety and all, that time there was a key to come out completely, that is observing the breath. Because I was not getting sleep last 4 day or 4 night, I didn't sleep. There was 4 day, 4 night, 24 hours eyes open. So then I went to doctor, psychiatrist, because why I'm sharing, so other people get, maybe
Sure.
some more clarity about it.
Hmm.
So that I went to doctor, psychiatrist, and he just checked, and there's medicine they are showing in news now. Same medicine he written me, 5 mg, 10 mg, whatever.
Hmm.
And he told morning one, evening one, you have to take it. I came home. There was a 25 tablet actually. And he told 3 months you have to continue. After that also you cannot stop. And next maybe 6 months, but I will check you first how your condition is. I came home and then I throw all the tablets. I didn't take a single tablet, and I decided if I didn't sleep for 4 days, fine. If I will not sleep 10 days, also fine. Because maybe my body don't need sleep, that's okay, fine. So really I connected with this when you are sharing. This is absolutely 100% truth. If you are not getting sleep, no need to worry, that's okay, fine. Maybe your body don't need, doesn't need, so that's you have to work on it, what you want, that's all. Sleep will come automatically. So these three things I wanted to share.
Please
Thank
understand,
you.
this is the one most important aspect into this whole communication. What is shared is very true. And please don't go into that tablet or other modes and something. Use these small, simple techniques I told to you. But most important to understand what is meant by the sleep. Sleep is the requirement of your physical body to rest your mind and the brain. Now, when the mind and brain is not ready, physical sleep will not come. But that is not mean you are not sleeping. See how you survive. You cannot survive even like a 4 days. He is feeling he is not sleeping, but he's lying down. When you lie down on the bed, even your eyes are open, still you are lying down on the bed. So please understand. So I given you the complete perspective now, and now just go into and see what happens if you start following that one. And please understand, this is the best, or this is called as the um, first most important principle of this seven principle. If this is not followed, other principle will not follow. Other principle will not work.
Rakesh, can I ask you a question?
Okay, so thank you very much. Have a nice day, good day. Take care. God bless you all. Prasad, want to ask some question? Is it so quickly? If it's related to anyone?
Yeah. Suppose in the middle of the night you're awake and you're not getting sleep. Therefore, basically get up and do your other project work and all, or just lie down.
Not really required to engage into the again the things where you require your minds and everything.
Okay.
Instead of that one, I'll tell you put some soothing music or put some meditation, which you don't like also, but put it down and try to follow it. You will get asleep.
Perfect. Thank you.
Now you divert to the project or something, then what will happen? You will physically and mentally again tired.
That's right.
But again, you are trying to compromise with the cycle. So don't do like that way.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
So don't engage in no, or let's say if you got midnight now, let's me drink 1 cup of tea. No. Or let me start my project. No. That is not suggested. Something where you are coming up and you are allowing that anxiety to subside somewhere. So just watching the moon from your balcony, or or else take one book.
Start reading it. Oh, that's a good idea.
Start the book, and I'll tell you within 10 minutes you'll be sleep into the sofa set itself.
Perfect. Yeah, got it.
So fine. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care.
Sir, Santosh here, sir.
Yeah, Santosh, quickly now. Yeah, we are already exceeded time. So
Sir,
I have Ikigai 3.0.
Yeah, yes, sir. Okay. Sir, this Sona Haram, the quotation is there. So it is like it is because I get into deep sleep that whenever alarm comes also I do not get up. But some people even with a small sound they will get up and they will wake up. But I do not get up like that, sir.
Now it depends. See, it is depends on the lot of physical aspect also. Physiology. How much sleep is required, your body is not. Somebody is very lazy. There is a laziness, there is a difference between the longer sleep and the laziness. Now you are sleeping for 10 hours, 11 hours, and then also you are feeling unenergetic, not creative, not ready to take the action, not positive, then there is some physiological issue. Like a gas, like too much of eating, heavy weight. These are the issues. Then now this is nothing to do with alarm clock. This is that your sleep is not completed now. And Sona is not haram. Sona is very good things. But if you are sleeping like 14 hours in a day, then your family will be suffer and everything will be affected. Then Sona will be definitely haram. Because whole day if you sleep at the home and don't earn anything for the family, then that will be create the problem. Then that probably will be true. Okay. So that is you have to check. Is it because of the Vata, Pitta, Kapha or something? Because if the people with the mainly with a lot of Kapha will be get more sleep. And the people with the Vata will be have the issue with the sleep actually. Another science is there. I don't want to go into that much. Today is that we exceeded all the times. Today it's all. But definitely please tomorrow onwards, please remind me or else you people will lose your Ikigai 3.0 call. So please ensure that one.